G'day there, it's Poppy Dave, just bringing you van tip number 20, and you've seen the tip 19 where I showed you how I'd set it up for moving it around and storing it and what have you. But I just thought today I'd have a little bit of a talk about the toilet chemical. I certainly don't have shares in the Thelford company, and that's not what it's all about, but I wanted to really highly recommend this particular toilet chemical. It's got to go into the catchment tank in the bottom, and the chemicals naturally got to be used in conjunction with the Portaloo to break down the solids. But I just wanted to recommend, I think this has got a lovely smell, and it lasts for the 7 days. So we dump our toilet every 7 days and give it a desanitisation with some Pino clean spray and what have you. But the other little tip that I think is worth mentioning is I actually add some into the top flush tank. So it's got the blue chemical in the top tank, and then it goes into the bottom tank. And having worked in the cleaning industry for many years, I just think it's a really good idea to have the same chemical in the flush tank that's flushing into the bottom tank, so it's an identical chemical, so it's not diluting anything and having two chemicals fighting against each other, which, although there are other flush tank chemicals that you can see in the picture there, but I just think it's smart to have some in the top. It smells lovely, it goes into the bottom tank, so it's doing the job. And you can just see there that, you know, when you pump the the flush thing, it's nice and blue, just like blue loo, and goes into the bottom tank, and it really lasts. And like I said, we've never had, we don't have any smell problems, even though the toilet's in the cupboard there locked away, and we get it out and use it and then pop it away and then empty it out every 7 days. So don't go for the, I've used, like I said, I've used a lot of cheaper ones, but you end up having to use twice as much, and they're not as strong smelling, and they don't last. So pay the bit extra money for the Thelford brand blue stuff, and you'll end up getting I think value for money. All right, bye for now from Poppy Dave.